the bar graph today. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Once again, a very good morning to all of you. See, children, as you all know that we are on the chapter number 12, Smart Charts. In Smart Charts, we are learning how to show the data information in the form of the different charts. First, we have done about the telemarks. In telemarks, we have learned how to read the telemarks and how to draw the telemarks. First of all, I want to remind you when I was checking the worksheets, I have noticed you children are doing the editing in your same worksheets. But when you write with your pen or the marker in the same worksheets, please note your lines should be straight. This way. Your lines should be straight. And when you put a diagonal fifth line, that should also be neat and clean. But sometimes I noted, I don't know what the children don't know to put a lines also, they are drawing like this, untidy, which shows that you are not paying attention and not with the your interest, you are not doing your work. Okay, so it should be neat and clean. This is the thing which I need to remind. When I was checking the worksheets, I noted that. So again, I come back to the topic as I told you that we were doing the telemarks, and in telemarks we have learned how to read the telemarks and how to draw the telemarks. Secondly, we have done about pie chart. We have done what is pie chart, what are the different names of pie chart, and how to read the pie chart and how to draw the pie chart. Second, now third comes the bar graph. What do you mean by the bar graph? You children have learned in the grade 4 also. Can you please tell me what do you mean by the bar graph? Why it is called the bar graph? Yes, Aryan. Why only Aryan, Dhruvi, only few children speak? What about the others?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Yash Malhotra, please speak and explain.
Ma'am, bar graph is written because if there are many things and we have some portions that how many minus this cars from Z cars, that we make the bar graph and then do the total and minus of all that.
No, but actually
May
I
I
want
say?
to know. Wait a minute, Dhruvi. But I wanted to know what
Ma'am, may
actually
I say? Ma'am, can
the
I say?
bar graph. Eva is there? Eva?
Ma'am, may I say?
Eva? Krishita? Can you please tell us what is bar graph? This is known as bar graph also, bar chart also. Okay. There are the different names of the bar graph. Yes, please tell me. This is also called bar diagram. Yes, please. Krishita, can you please tell me?
Ma'am, can I say,
Yes, Nishika, please tell.
ma'am, in a paragraph means we make that paragraph for that seeing that means that we make now that we make means that bars like the measure of that, and
Yes,
we
some
make this.
rectangular bars we make. That is why the
Ma'am,
name
can
of
I?
this graph is bar
We
graph.
make the side, and we make the bars at the measure of that, and
Mm.
there are questions that we have to answer.
Okay. Yes, Dhruvi, can you please explain us?
Ma'am, we said bar graph because we count the data by making bars.
Okay, good. So now,
Ma'am,
children,
can I?
just okay. Now you have to give more answers after that. Now, please tell me what is the beginning of drawing a bar graph? What is the beginning? First, we learn how to draw, and then we learn how to read also. What is the beginning of?
Ma'am,
Yes, Aryan, please tell me.
first we draw a right angle. No, ma'am, X and Y. We used to make the
Yes,
X
we
and Y.
used to draw one horizontal and one vertical line and name it as x-axis and
So,
y-axis.
ma'am,
X and Y.
I can
See,
also, ma'am, I
yeah,
said
it's
that one.
okay, okay, yeah, I understood. See, we draw a line, on x-axis straight line. Name it as x-axis. And we draw up
y-axis.
a perpendicular line. Perpendicular means the line intersecting at the 90-degree. We draw a perpendicular line y-axis. This line is the horizontal line. This line is the vertical line. So after drawing these two lines, the vertical line and the horizontal line, the main thing is, first of all, heading is compulsory for a graph. That you are talking about which graph. If you are talking about fruits, if you are talking that about sports, the first you have to see the table, the information, the data which is given to you is regarding what. So on the basis of the information, on the basis of the data which is given to you, you have to name the bar graph, and that naming of the bar graph is called the heading of the bar graph. Am I clear? After heading, you should know about the scaling. It is compulsory that how you scale. Scale is also different. Everyone can make the different scale, but you should please be, when you are putting a scaling, take a equal distance, equal gap. Okay. For example, when on horizontal, suppose you are going to show mango. Okay, this is the table. First of all, I'll give you. This is the information given to you that in your colony there are fruits, and or in your family, number of person. So fruits are different: mango, grapes, papaya, and apple. So in your family, if you take the data, in your family, mango liked by only 2 persons, grapes liked by 3, papaya liked by 5, and apple liked by how many? Can you please guess and tell me any number?
7.
7 or 6. Yes. Now, these names, yes.
Your that side board is not means right side board is yes, it is now visible.
So the names of the objects, the names of the fruits here, and the names of anything will come on the horizontal axis. Okay. And how you mark them on the horizontal axis? On the equal distance. Suppose if you are leaving, see children, graph you can make on plain paper also. But why I told you to bring the graph notebook? Children, graph you can, as I am making on the plain board, whiteboard. But why I told you to bring the graph notebook and we will make the graph on the graph notebook? Why? What is the reason?
Because
Because a
know the
particular is given
measure
on
of, because the box
Yes.
is of 1 centimeter and to measure the
Yes.
centimeter.
Yes, because there is a uniformity in the boxes. What do you mean by the word uniformity? What is uniform?
The similarity.
Yes, similarity. तो equal distance पे हैं आपके और equal measurement से हैं, so it will be easy for you to do the graph, right? And the graph will be easily understandable. But for the plain paper, it will be not as much as clear as it is on the graph paper में जितना clear वो दिखता है. Am I clear to you all? Yes. So that is why now, please remember, when the name of the objects are there, please mention it on the horizontal axis. I will tell you we can make the graph with 2 ways. When we are putting the objects on the horizontal axis and making the bars on the vertical axis. Okay, this is the one method. The vertical, this is called the vertical graph because our bars will raise on the vertical axis. Vertical axis pe hi bars banenge. That is why this graph is called the vertical bar graph. You can turn it also. I will show you the different way. We can put the x-axis this side and the y-axis this side. So the bars will be on the horizontal axis. So we can show, I'll show you the different ways. Wait a minute. Okay, let me first explain you and then I'll show you the when we will see. Then I'll show you the different ways of, I'll present you the different bar graphs. Can you all able to see in my book here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In this book, can you all tell me this bar graph is based on what? This is this is horizontal bar. Yes.
Horizontal bar graph.
Very good. This is horizontal bar graph because the bars are going towards the horizontal axis. And this bar graph is the vertical bar graph. This is the vertical bar graph. So we can make any of the way. It's your choice how you are making the bar graph. But once you get the bar graph ready and you want to read it, that you have to accept the way it is drawn. But when you have to, please mute your mics. Devanshi, mute your mic. When you are drawing the bar graph, so you can draw any way. Clear? But compulsory that you draw two lines. First is on the x-axis, that is the horizontal line, and the next is the vertical y-axis. And that two lines are perpendicular, meet at the point 0. Now, when you are showing these objects on your horizontal axis, so please take the equal distance of your bars. First of all, if you left this 1 gram, then write the mango here. Then leave one box and write the grapes. Because there should be equal distance.
Ma'am, if we use a graph book, so we have to just leave one box like this now.
Yeah, because they all boxes are of 1 centimeter, no, at the equal distance.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is why you can leave. If you want to leave 2 blocks, then in all the tables which you make, all the bars which you make, there should be a gap of 2 boxes or 2 centimeter.
Ma'am, but it's better for one only, no?
Yes. Please mute your mic. Now you understood, everyone?
In the between, we can put 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter gap.
Yes, Devanshi?
Ma'am, in the between of graph, we have to put 2 centimeter distance or 1 centimeter.
It's up to your choice. If you are starting of keeping the 2 centimeter distance, then in all the bars, there should be a 2 centimeter distance.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have started with the 1 centimeter gap, then in all the bars, there should be a 1 centimeter gap. And the bars, the width of the bars is also be uniform. Means if the width of the bars is only you have taken the bars only by taking 1 centimeter box. Please, who is presenting? Just Ruparelia, stop presenting.
Ma'am, from mistake itself come.
Okay. If you have taken a bars, then the bars distance is of 1 centimeter. So in all the bars, there should be a 1 centimeter width of all the bars. Am I clear? This is the width. If this width you have started, the first bar is of 1 centimeter width. The next bar should also be the 1 centimeter width, not 2 centimeter. There should also be a uniformity in the bars. There should also be a uniformity in the gaps which you are leaving. Am I clear with you all? Yes.
Yes,
So when after writing the name of the objects on the horizontal axis, please give them the headings. These are what? These are the fruits. Then here you are writing the number of people. So you write number of people. Now here we have to take the scale. So first step is draw the, please write in your notebooks, first step is to draw x-axis and y-axis. Write in your notebooks.
Ma'am, we have to make this now. We have to write steps of the.
No, only steps. Steps how to draw a bar graph.
Ma'am, we can write in graph book.
Yes, you can write on the writing page, the lining page of graph book.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's a straight bar graph. Not the straight bar graph.
Pranchu, what are you saying? I cannot hear you.
I have made the straight bar graph.
Which kind of straight bar graph? Can you show us?
Yes.
Ma'am, he's saying vertical bar.
Ah, I know. Please show me. Yeah.
I have also drawn.
Okay, good. Please, your lines should be straight. Use the pencil and scale. Your work should be neat. Now, first step, right? You have to draw horizontal axis. Horizontal line, that is x-axis. Second is to draw vertical line, y-axis. Third is give the heading. Fourth is
Excuse me, ma'am.
okay. Third, you give naming to the x-axis and y-axis को naming भी करना है. Then write objects on x-axis and the numerical information. Numerical information on y-axis. I'm going to erase this. Now, after x-axis, y-axis role is finished, naming bhi kar diya, then the fifth is give them the heading of a bar graph, which is compulsory. And the sixth is scaling a bar graph. Scaling a bar graph. अब वो scaling कैसे करते हैं, which is very, very important, which we will learn now. Can I erase the first one?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, you are still on first. Scaling a bar graph.
Ma'am, the spelling of axis is X. Then
X, then apostrophe, comma, and AXIS.
ma'am, there are more points or just 6.
One or two more. Heading is also called a title. Please stop presenting this.
Who is presenting the screen, please?
Also called title. Heading of a graph is also called a title.
Yes, ma'am. Now you can erase.
Draw vertical line y-axis though.
Ma'am, your screen is blur.
Ma'am, is it
ma'am.
blurred?
Ma'am, it is not blur actually.
Aditi, ma'am,
No, ma'am, it is fine, clear enough. But what happens? Can we wait a bit, madam? When the connection is little bit lost, no, ma'am, then it happens that it becomes blur. But it will come in the back in few minutes. You people need to
Please
wait.
check now, children.
We are doing online. वो थोड़ी देर में आ जाएगा बेटा.
It's too blur.
It's too blur. Wait a minute. I'll let you. थोड़ा सा adjust करो. You people
My dear
just
children,
pin
just
to
a
Renu
minute.
ma'am. Renu ma'am को पिन करके रखो और कुछ मत देखो तुम लोग. Ma'am, it is clear now. All of you just pin to Renu ma'am. Don't see everybody. Don't see your friends what they are doing. Pin to Renu ma'am so you can see properly.
Now, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear enough.
Madhur,
Actually, they keep everything open. That is why.
Please pin on me, my dear children. Then only you will able to see. Next, after giving the scale a bar graph, now what is the scale that we will learn? And the number 7 is leave uniform gaps.
Ma'am, what is the
Uniform
seventh one?
gaps. Leave uniform gaps
Ma'am, that gaps
in
are called uniform gaps.
यूनिफॉर्म मीन्स सेम साइज के, सेम इक्वल, सिमिलैरिटी के. अगर 2 सेंटीमीटर का गैप है तो 2 सेंटीमीटर का गैप ही आपको छोड़ना है.
Okay, ma'am.
लीव यूनिफॉर्म गैप्स इन बिटवीन बार्स एंड
Renu ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, now I'm writing in the graph book. After I will write in notebook, so it's okay now.
okay. Leave uniform gaps in between bars and each rectangular bar has same width. Has uniform width. ये जो यूनिफॉर्म विड्थ की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, ये जो बार्स है, अगर आप जिन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट बार्स बनाते गए हैं हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल एक्सिस पे, तो ये जो विड्थ होती है रेक्टेंगुलर बार्स की, ये सबकी सेम है. अगर आपने 1 सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर बॉक्स लिया है तो 1 सेंटीमीटर का ही गैप होना चाहिए सारे बार्स में. अगर आपने फर्स्ट बार जो बनाया है वो 2 सेंटीमीटर के विड्थ से बनाया है तो सारे बार्स आपके 2 सेंटीमीटर की विड्थ से बनने चाहिए. वो डिपेंड करता है, इट्स योर चॉइस. इट इज नॉट हैविंग एनी हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल, बट देयर शुड बी अ यूनिफॉर्मिटी. यस
Ma'am, there are more.
वेट अ मिनट, लेट मी क्लियर. यस त्रिशा.
Ma'am, the doubt is, ma'am, why we are writing uniform?
यूनिफॉर्म का मतलब होता है सिमिलैरिटी. यू कैन यूज वर्ड सिमिलैरिटी ऑल्सो, इक्वल डिस्टेंस ऑल्सो. आप स्कूल में जाते हैं, यूनिफॉर्म सबके लिए सिमिलैरिटी सिमिलर है ना. यूनिफॉर्म में तो कोई चीज नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई यू वी यूजिंग द वर्ड यूनिफॉर्म.
Okay.
यूनिफॉर्म से मतलब निकलता है कि सब सिमिलैरिटी में है.
Yes.
ओके.
And then the rectangular bar is that we draw the bars, na rectangular.
That is the rectangular bars. That is why the name of this graph is the bar graph, क्योंकि हम bars बनाते हैं. Now I will present my screen and show you. Scaling भी मैं आपको बताऊंगी कैसे scaling लेते हैं. Please mute your mics.
Yes, ma'am, the screen is visible.
Yeah. See, children, just now we have discussed x-axis, we have discussed y-axis, I have told you to write the name of the objects on the x-axis. जो naming formation में होता है वो x-axis पे आता है, horizontal axis पे. अगर sports हैं तो sports के name. If you are going for the dining for different dishes, so write the name of the dishes. If you are talking about the fruits, write the name of the fruits. So names में जो होगा वो x-axis पे आएगा, and जो numerical form में होगा No, you just have to listen and understand. And जो name में होगा, naming values में होगा, sorry, means जो numerical में होगा, numbers में होगा, वो y axis में आएगा. Am I clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And now you know that there should be a uniform width of the bars and uniform gaps also in the bars. आप देख सकते हैं एक square छोड़ा है, फिर bar बनाया, then they have leave one square, then they have made the bar, then left the one square, then made the bar. This is uniformity clear? Yes. Yes or no, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now first of all, I want to show you the table. ये किसके base पे बना हुआ है? Then you will better understand. One book costs ₹8. One notebook ₹18 and one chocolate is ₹2. So यहाँ पर जो है one bar, first bar is for book, second bar is for notebook and the third bar is for chocolate. Now chocolate book they are saying ₹80, notebook 18 and the chocolate is 2. So हम इसकी scaling कैसे करें y axis पे so that हमारा 2 भी cover हो जाए and 80 भी cover हो जाए. So अगर we take 1 unit equal to 10, you can take 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter also. Means ये जो 1 box है 1 centimeter भी ले सकते हैं. But if you take 1 centimeter, so your highest number is 80. तो आपको bar graph बहुत बड़ा बनाना पड़ जाएगा and that much you don't have space. Okay. So जो स्केलिंग होती है ये हमें मल्टीपल्स में लेनी होती है. मल्टीपल्स मीन्स टेबल्स में. अगर आपने 2 की स्केलिंग ली है तो योर फर्स्ट सेंटीमीटर, योर दिस 1 सेंटीमीटर स्केलिंग शुड बी 2, नेक्स्ट शुड बी 4, फिर 6, फिर 8. एंड यू कैन सी दैट ऑल्सो कि आपके जो नंबर्स हैं, हाईएस्ट नंबर एंड द लोएस्ट नंबर इन योर टेबल, वो सारे कवर हो रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे हैं. एम आई क्लियर टिल हियर? व्हाट इज द लोएस्ट नंबर हियर?
10.
2.
Lowest number in the table is 2, not in the graph. In the table is 2. And what is the highest number here in the table?
80.
80.
So 2 से लेकर 80 तक के सारे cover हो जाएं. So you can take the scaling of 5 also. That 1 unit, this is called the one gap. The 1 centimeter gap is called the 1 unit. 1 unit को हमने यहाँ पे 10 rupees के equal लिया है. So they are easily able to cover till 80. But you can take 5 also. But if you take 2, your bar graph will be too long. Big हो जाएगा. Am I clear? Please understand this. This scaling is very much important, children. And I can see your mics are on. Someone has kept the mic on. Krishita, mic off, please.
Krishita,
So this scaling, to understand this scaling is very much important, children. How we are going to make the bars. So first we see in our table the lowest number and the highest number or the bigger number. According to that numbers, we have to scale. So scaling means आपका 2 और 80 दोनों आ जाना चाहिए. So you can take 1 centimeter equals to ₹5 also. You can take ₹10 also you can take. अगर आप 5 लेंगे तो जो 2 है वो आपका नीचे तक आएगा. But here they have taken 10. It's okay. 10 to 20, 30. They have not left any bar here in this. अगर आपको एक भी सेंटीमीटर छोड़ना है, that is also depend on you. After 10 आपको ये वाला सेंटीमीटर छोड़ के 20 यहाँ भी ले सकते हैं. But here why?
Ma'am, I didn't got that. How like they got that number 2 in the last one? I didn't got
I will
it.
show you
Yes,
on my.
ma'am,
I will show
I
you. Is everyone completed this till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Can I
ma'am.
rub my board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to draw that was drawn
No,
in
no,
that. We have to draw that.
no. You just have to understand, and once I'll give you the sums on that, then you will do it. Okay. X axis सबको clear है, draw करनी है.
Yes, ma'am.
Y axis everyone is clear, draw करनी है.
Yes.
Naming करना है y axis और x axis को भी. Okay. Now what I will write here? This table was about that table. We will solve that table. Okay. Bar graph किस पे बनाना है?
Stationary.
Name of the objects. Here we will write value of the objects, जो price था. And what heading we will give? What heading we will give, children? Can you please name? What heading we will? The price of
Price of objects.
price of objects. Very, very good title. We can give price of different objects because there is no similarity in the objects. Objects सारे जो है वो अलग अलग, एक book है, एक chocolate है, and one more thing was there. So all the objects are different. They have no similarities. अगर fruits थे या vegetables थे या ice creams we are discussing, so they have a uniformity, एक जैसे हैं. But here the objects are different. So we can say that title is different objects, price of different objects. Now we have to give the scaling. Children, I don't have that much space, so I am keep on writing here. ग्राफ की जगह में बना रही हूँ, बट एवरीथिंग आपको ये ग्राफ से ऊपर बनाना है, वाई एक्सिस की मार्जिन से ऊपर बनाना है. You have to write all this. Wait a minute, I'll show you. You don't have to write in the space of the graph. You have to above the graph. Title भी above the graph. यहाँ से आपने y axis शुरू करी है, तो टाइटल भी आपको ऊपर बनाना है. Different objects. And scale भी आपको ग्राफ से ऊपर ही लिखनी है. अब स्केलिंग कैसे लेनी है आपको? फर्स्ट they saying that now first of all we make this distance. First was book. Yes.
Ma'am, here in the graph, the white color, in that we have to write
What?
the title.
No, yeah, you can write on the white color also. White space is there, no, above the graph paper. You can write there also title. But graph जहां बनता है उससे थोड़ा ऊपर ही लिखेंगे, otherwise you'll not able to cover your complete graph. This is the reason. That's why I'm telling you to write the title above the graph.
Okay.
Clear? Now you have to name the object. First I left 1 centimeter square, then I wrote book. Then again I left 1 centimeter square and I write chocolate. And then again I leave 1 centimeter square. Then the third thing was what? Notebook.
Notebook.
Yes, notebook. So can you all see? ये भी छूटा है. Then I leave here. Then it is notebook. Now I want to show the numbers also here. Please mute your mics, everyone. Aheli, mute your mic. Now this is remaining. Y-axis is remaining, and y-axis is completely depend on the scaling of your graph. अब scaling में book का cost जो था, that was
80.
Chocolate का क्या था price? Rupees
2.
Rupees 2. I am writing for the information here. What was the notebook price?
18.
18. Very good. So now for the information I wrote here. Now I have to check the price. Wait a minute, Pranchu, wait a minute. The scaling is very, very important. Scaling आपकी important नहीं होगी proper, तो आपका graph proper नहीं बनेगा. So 80 to 18, there are 3 different prices. और तीनों में बहुत ज्यादा difference है, right? मतलब जो स्केलिंग आप करोगे ये आप मल्टीपल्स में करोगे. और कैसे मल्टीपल्स में कैसे? यू सेलेक्ट द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर in this table. What is the smallest number? Rupees 2 is the smallest.
2.
And which is the greatest?
80 rupees.
80. If I take the multiples of 2, 2 के मल्टीपल्स लेती हूँ तो टेबल बहुत बड़ी, मेरी जो y एक्सिस है वो बहुत बड़ी बन जाएगी, एंड आई डोंट हैव दैट मच स्पेस. ओके, so what I do is I can take multiples of 3 also, I can take multiple of 5 also, I can take multiple of 3 also. Multiple का मतलब you all know the table of that number. Okay, this is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
if
Yes,
I
ma'am.
take this 1 centimeter, यहाँ से 0 से यहाँ तक का 1 centimeter का बॉक्स है, this 1 centimeter or it is called 1 unit, 1 unit equals to, मैं अगर लेती हूँ 5 rupees के बराबर, because here I am showing in rupees. So second gap, so next second जो gap है 1 centimeter का, that will be 10 rupees. उसके बाद next 1 centimeter का gap जो है will be 15. क्यों? मैंने 5 की स्केल ली है, 5 के मल्टीपल्स लिए हैं. अब इस 5 के मल्टीपल्स में your 80 will also come, your 2 will also come, your 18 will also come. Now you will tell me मैम 2 कैसे आएगा? 0 से 5 के बीच में 2 कैसे काउंट करेंगे? राइट? सो 0 से
Yes.
5 के बीच में आपके कितने स्मॉल बॉक्सेस हैं?
2.
नो, स्मॉल बॉक्सेस देयर आर
5.
5.
5.
10 स्मॉल बॉक्सेस है.
10.
कितने स्मॉल बॉक्सेस हैं?
10.
Yes, ma'am.
10.
पर यहाँ से यहाँ तक को हम ₹5 लेंगे. It means 1 small box equals to 2. इसके अंदर जो one small box है वो 2 rupees के बराबर हुआ. 2 को कवर कर रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that small box is equals to
हाँ, 2.
2
Yeah, this 2 small box are covering ₹1.
Ma'am, so 2 box means the
2 rupees means how many boxes?
2.
No,
1. 4.
4 boxes.
हाँ.
4 boxes को कवर करेगा, क्योंकि you can see that your 1 box, your 1 rupee has covered 2 small boxes. तभी तो 5 rupees ने कवर किए 10 boxes.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So 2 rupees can cover 4 small boxes.
4 small boxes. तो जो 2 का है, जो चॉकलेट है, आपके बहुत नीचे तक ही बन के खत्म हो जाएगा.
That only I was not getting that how it came. Yes, ma'am. I also.
Now you understood, children, कि कैसे
Yes.
2 वाला बिल्कुल small
Yes.
4 boxes को कवर करके बन जाए.
Ma'am, if there is 1 rupee chocolate, so we have to take 2 boxes.
2 small boxes, millimeter में.
Yeah. I got.
Ma'am.
Because 1 centimeter, wait a minute, Pranshu, because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters.
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
10, तभी तो 10 small lines हैं उसके अंदर.
Yeah.
प्रांशु नीटली बनाना है प्रांशु.
Ma'am, what we have to make now?
Now, understand now the scale. Scale is very much important. Now, for book, it is 80. So, scale odd 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and keep on drawing till 80. But why they have taken 10? इसी वजह से उन्होंने 10 लिया था स्केलिंग का, because 5 की स्केलिंग से भी ग्राफ will be too longer, बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. Have you understood why they have taken a
Yes,
scale
ma'am.
of 10?
Ma'am,
1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit is equals to 10. क्यों लिया था? Understood now?
but ma'am, we can take no, ma'am, but we can take 10, 20, 30 like that.
Yes, you can take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. तो 80 जब आप लेंगे तो कवर हो जाएगा. Now, जब आपने अगर 10 की स्केलिंग ली, 10 की स्केलिंग ली है और ₹2 है, तो वो कितने बॉक्सेस को कवर करेगा? स्मॉल बॉक्सेस को. बिकॉज यहाँ से यहाँ
boxes.
Children, one unit, this 1 centimeter equals to 10 rupees. और इसके अंदर 1 rupee
One.
equal to how many small boxes?
1 rupee.
Equal to one small box.
One
So
box.
2 rupees equals to how many small boxes?
I said 2 small boxes.
If we want to take 2, like our chocolate rupees is 2, so we have to take 2, so we have to take 4 boxes, no?
No, why? Because here is the 10 in 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. This is clear. There are 10 small boxes. So for rupees 2, this is for rupees 10 के लिए 10 boxes हैं. तो 2 के लिए कितने boxes होंगे?
2.
5.
2. 10
Yes,
से
I got it. When we are taking 10, 20, 30 like that, at that time we have, if there is 2, so we have to take the number 2 boxes, and
Yes.
when the 10, 15 box that is there, so at that time we have to take 4 boxes.
See, when it was the one unit equals to 2, right?
Yes,
1 rupee was equals to 2 boxes. And here the 1 rupee equals to 1 box. So 2 rupees equals to how many boxes?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood everyone how
Yes,
to
ma'am.
So according to that, if I had taken 1 unit equals to rupees 10 according to this table. So जब आपके bars ready हो जाएंगे like this, बड़ा bar, then this one small bar, then the notebook. I will take 1 or 2 minutes more, children. Please cooperate. Then 18 will come in between 15 and 20 के बीच में 18 आएगा. Clear? So now tell me, which object? Okay, I'll ask some question based on this. Please mute your mics. Devanshi, mute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, which object is the least popular?
Chocolate.
Which object is having?
Chocolate.
Which object is Devanshi? Devanshi, what is
Devanshi?
this?
Mute your mic and speak, beta. What is this? Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
My question was, which object is the highest popular, most popular
Book.
book?
Book.
And which object is having the price of rupees 18?
Notebooks.
Notebooks.
Which object is having the highest price?
Book.
Book.
Which object is having the least price?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. So have you understood, children, how we are reading
Yes, ma'am.
this and how to draw? We will again take the next class, one more class for this bar graph.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, children, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.